countries are spending more on debt service than any other expenditure, including public services, including health, including education, including provision of water. We have reached the point where debt and well-being are mutually exclusive, and this is a matter of fundamental justice. These economic and financial challenges associated with climate change keep pushing African governments into greater macroeconomic instability and closer to debt distress. Low and middle-income countries are now contending with the conditional fiscal burden of trying to recover from increasingly frequent and high-cost climate crisis. Climate change is not an exclusively African problem, but an existential threat to humanity. Unfortunately, it is being addressed in terms of the usual geopolitical divide between the global north and the global south, developed countries versus developing countries, or rich countries against poor countries, just because the net polluters are from one side while the net victims are on the other. It is time for Africa to champion a new vision to transform climate action into green climate positive growth. No nation should have to contend with crises as frequent, severe, and large-scale as climate crises currently besieging Africa on their own. And no country should ever have to choose between climate action and national development on account of limited resources. The fundamental problem with these pledges and promises is that despite the best of our intentions and our utmost endeavors, none of them has materialized. This